Good morning. So I wanted to touch base today on something really simple, 30-year versus 15-year. The obvious, everyone knows you're going to save a lot of money in interest on a 15-year, but sometimes people don't understand how dramatic that savings can be. Quick example, if you've got a 30-year mortgage at a 4.625, the same scenario could price out on a 15-year mortgage at a 3.5. That's a dramatic difference in your interest rate. What that basically means, you're going to have about a $400 payment that's higher. So if you're purchasing, maybe kind of try to gear your purchase amount around that 15-year payment instead of maxing yourself out at that 30. Your overall savings on I'm going conventional here, but on this conventional 15-year is $112,000. So again, huge difference on interest rate, huge difference on the amount of interest that you save over the course of that 15 years. It's a couple years college tuition, so think about it. Call me with any questions. Thank you. Have a great day.